Hi everybody, welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's start. My daily routine. My name is Sarah. I'm 14 years old. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day, except Sunday. I do morning exercises. I wash, clean my teeth with a toothbrush and comb my hair. Then I have breakfast. In the morning, I like to eat fried eggs or omelette, cheese sandwich, and drink tea. It takes me 10 minutes to get to school. My lessons begin at 8:30. At 2 o'clock, the lessons are over. I usually have 6 or 7 lessons a day. I return home at 2 o'clock and have rest. I watch TV and play computer games. I have lunch at 3 o'clock. For lunch, I usually eat some soup, fried or mashed potatoes with cutlets, and a piece of cake with a cup of tea for dessert. After doing my homework, I go for a walk with my friends. In the evening, I go to the gym or take out my bike. My training lasts for an hour. My parents usually return home at 19 o'clock. We have dinner at 19:30. Dinner consists of fish, meat or chicken, vegetables or some salad, and an apple pie. Then we sometimes go to the cinema, spend time in the park, or go shopping. Then I read books, newspaper, and magazines, chat with friends on the phone. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I attend additional English classes at my school. At 10 o'clock, I take a shower or bath, brush my teeth, and go to bed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment.